Why most of us not successful in stock photography? We need to find a reason. Number one, we do not know the success theory of stock photography. How other people being successful in stock photography. Number two, we do not analyze the market. For every type of business, market analysis plays a crucial part. Stock photography is not different from them. Number three, we do not invest proper time on metadata. We just upload the image and give some keywords and other titles. That's okay, then submit the photo to the stock sites and we want revenue from them. Number four, we do not make expert ourselves in a few domains. Rather, we want to become jack of all domains. We want to explore in all domains. Number five, we do not invest proper time with patience. We want outcome within several days, within several weeks. We do not learn from mistakes, not from others, not from us. In this course, I have provided the success theory of stock photography here, along with examples and suggestions from other successful stock photographers. Here I have shown how to analyze the stock photography market, along with other examples. Also, how to invest time, proper time in metadata. The mistakes of other stock photographers, so we can learn from them. Hope you will enjoy this course and hope to see you successful in stock photography.